Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel 𝐑𝐞𝐥𝐚𝐭𝐞𝐝. Today I am going to show you how to manage charging control by microcontroller. Now at first have a look in practical. I am pressing charge button to start charging. When the voltage reaches to 27.2 volt, it will cut the charger from charging. And now voltage is rising. Battery charging has already stopped as it is reached to 27.2 volt, and you can see it is now on low load control. Here it is 13.5 volt, and on the serial monitor it is also 13.5 volt. Because I have calibrated the voltage, so we need to first calibrate the voltage. To calibrate the voltage, just you need to change the value of R1, and if you increase the value, voltage will be increased. So let's check for a demo. Here I am increasing the value on the this is now compiling the sketch, now uploading. Now let's see, on the serial monitor it is increased 13.6 volts. So in this way we can calibrate the voltage. Now come to the main part. Suppose this is your charger, and here I want that when the battery voltage drop down to 10.0 volt, charger will be on, and when battery voltage reaches to 13.5 volt, and charger will be off. So now upload the code, and now it is showing relay is off because voltage is 13.5 volt. Here it is. Now I am reducing the voltage. Voltage is decreasing 11.2, 11.1 and 10.5. So when the voltage drops down to 10.0, LED should be on. See, charger is on serial monitor is showing release on, means charger is on. Now I am increasing the voltage 12.6. When the voltage reaches to 13.5, LED should be off. Now it is off, and relay is showing off display. So to sense the voltage, I have just used voltage divider network, because it can't apply more than 5 volt, otherwise this IC will be damaged. So this voltage divider network can take into account the maximum input voltage of 40 volt. So hopefully this video brings you something. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel.